Hi, my name is Dennis Manns, and I'm the very best fit for the caretaker job at Hamilton Island. I have 4 years of continuous experience as a caretaker, working in remote situations like Canyonlands National Park, the mountains of northern New Mexico, and this beautiful place, Gothic, Colorado, where I'm winter caretaker for the Rocky Mountain Biological Lab. My middle name is Caretaker, and I love adventure. I'm an author writer. I love photography, and I have good computer skills, which qualifies me for the reporting end of this job to Tourism Queensland. I can't wait to hike the rainforest at Daydream Island and check out the associated islands with Whitsunday Islands National Park. Hamilton Island is strategically located perfectly so you can check out all 74 islands, which are situated between the Queensland coast and the Great Barrier Reef. Oh, and by the way, this beard goes, it's just winter cover.